Enough!
Stop it! Ah, no! Stop it!
I think... No, it's just the fan. It's just a fan chat. It's not going away. It's not going away. And I'm soft locked. Turn off the inner program. Okay, good idea, Jay. NZXT. NZXT. Oh my god. It's not working. I can't. Just stop it! No, I can't turn them off with NZXT, dude. I can't turn it off with NZXT, bro. Okay, hold on. I can fix this. I can fix this. I can fix this. Hold on. Miners! Hold on. There. It's still making a little bit of a noise, but you can't hear it anymore. It's gone. It's fixed. You can still kind of hear it though. Okay, it's fine now. Everything's fine. Guys, you can't hear it anymore. You can't hear it anymore, guys. It's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. You can't hear it. Is it good? Oh, I gotta restart because you guys got me soft locked. Okay, no more punching stuff, guys, okay? No more punching stuff. Miners are black. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Okay. We're done. We're done with that. Okay. We're done with all that. We hit the light goal. We hit the light goal, guys. You know what would be crazy ragdoll? Oh god. Okay. Oh no. We gotta go this way. Okay, they're really stupid at first, which is funny. They're really dumb at first, which is cool. What was happening? Nah, don't ignore me. Say it. Miners are black. We gotta go. Okay, we'll hide in here. 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 Yo, hello, Booty. Hello. Haha, idiot. Okay, we're just gonna skip the elevator, guys, because it makes us have to wait, and we don't like waiting, right, guys? No, 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 we do not like waiting.
Did you read that message?
Okay. No, someone's name was like Bunny. I just called them Booney. Okay, lock in. Lock in. Yo, see ya, Rayu. Have fun. Manta bra. Lock in, chat. Let's lock. No. No. No, I didn't. No, I didn't, Reaper. What are you talking about, dude? Oh my god. I just need the mystery mix. Okay. That's fine. That's fine.